So I had quite nice teeth. I had braces when I was younger, and my teeth, they started moving as I got older, and I got into a little bit of a row with a mate, and he accidentally hit me with my tooth here. So this tooth came out, and all my teeth then moved again, so then I needed to have braces and an implant, just for confidence really. Actually, there's quite a few people on Instagram using Pro Dental, and the results were amazing. So yeah, I thought it was a good choice. So I've had implant, whitening, I've had fixed braces and retainers. I think I've had filing as well. I think that's it, yeah. Oh, I feel absolutely amazing. Like, my confidence is back. Getting great positive criticism. Yeah, and it looks good on camera. I'm really happy. Really happy with my results. So yeah, from consultation, it was really speedy. Everyone here is really nice. Yeah, everything happened quite quickly, and it's very organised as well. And obviously the end results are amazing, so yeah, really happy. Yeah, so I've had a few dentists during my journey, but I can't complain about any of them. Everyone's been really good and specialised in their own treatments. Yeah, from like the nurses to the dentists to the doctors, yeah, everyone's been so helpful. And I love the fact that the doctors go into detail, the dentists. So they like tell you, and they give you options so you can choose. They don't just do it, they give you options and they explain what's going on as well. So yeah, I really know about my mouth now. So the clinic's really clean. It's like a family environment, so you end up knowing all the staff and everyone's really friendly. I even met a few customers from here now, just like seeing each other all the time. But yeah, the clinic's nice, really homely. Quick, professional, and I don't know, it's the last one. Amazing. I'll definitely recommend Pro Dental to all my friends. I already have. Yeah, put it all over Instagram. Gets quite a good response. Yeah.